Hi, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed seeing the different tools that I've utilized so far. We've used the Google Doc AI, Bart, Google.com, and now we're moving over to ChatGPT. Just know that this is the GPT 3.5. They do have the GPT 4, which comes with a cost. And again, I'm going to try this one more time. Um, we are looking create a business plan or a fitness trainer who teaches nutrition. I have something misspelled. See, get that right. Um, oh, we got to give it a location because I think that's every let's say Enfield, Connecticut. And I'm gonna say a target audience. Target audience, women, children. I'm gonna say business professionals. All right, but I'm gonna go through this a little bit because it's all about asking the right questions or giving the right prompts, which is a new career that's here, which is a prompt engineer. All right, let's see what it gives us. Uh-oh. Well, let's pause this. And I don't think I'm signed in, y'all. So let me pause. All right, so we had a little glitch. We're going to try it again and let's see what it comes up with. So the business plan, it is going before our eyes, right? So it really dives in a little bit deeper than the other two um, that we tried initially. So we have, I want to show you this. Wow, this is pretty in depth. So for this business plan, we set a business plan for a fitness trainer, nutrition coach in Enfield, Connecticut, target audience, women with children, business professionals. So they call it Fit Life Enfield. The founder, you need to put your name, date, establish. It gives us a mission statement empowering women, children, and business professionals to achieve their fitness and nutrition goals through personalized training and guidance. As a business plan, create our definitely that mission statement um, is kind of weak, but it gives you a starting point. It gives you a business overview and description. So what I'm saying is that using this chat GPP, GPT, excuse me, just clicking copy, it doesn't really give you a solid um, business plan until you're actually um, really fine fine tooth combing, really adding your special sauce of your small business, your skills, your achievements in here. Um, So it has a vision and goal. Again, the market analysis kind of gave it a target audience. So it already knew that we're looking to have women with children seeking a balanced approach to fitness and family life. Business professionals looking for convenient and effective fitness solutions. It gave us the industry trends and then the services offered. Um, so here is a good question. This is not in depth. Let's ask it. Um, create the pricing for the services offered. See what it does. It's pretty interesting too. Um, just seeing what it spits out for us. It gives us the operations. Usually in a business plan, you don't put operations. It's usually like description, demographics, but not that. So that's definitely an error. I can definitely point out the different areas because this is something that I um, have done for years, creating business plans. But it's just interesting how it spits it out, but you have to look to make sure that it is presenting you and your company. And then on top of that, if you come through here to utilize this tool, again, I can't emphasize enough that when you have angel investors or, you know, banks that really want to see your business plan, it really needs to be your story. Again, this is just a tool to get you started, particularly with organization. I'm all about getting the fine tune of what comes first, what comes second. And this is a tool to help you to do that. Um, so we have the personalized fitness training. Um, Again, it has the data to give you the numbers for what is being charged or what has been charged in the past to get like a set average that similar companies like yours may be charging. Okay. So this is really good. Um, it's giving us packages. All right. So you get to kind of see again what the tool can do. Again, I would not overly be saturated to depend on Chat GPT or BART and also even the Google Doc to have it all completed for you because that's a fairy tale. So remember, this is just a tool. So I am going to move over to logos. So I've had um, small business like, oh man, I got to hire a graphics designer to create my logo. So let's see, that was Fit Life Fitness Center, I think it was. Let's just come up with that. So this is the name of the company. So you would utilize this and you would hit the logo and let's just see what comes up. What it comes. Um, you would put your industry. So I'm gonna do health and fitness for this one. And it says pick some logos that you like. So what it's doing is actually gathering data of what you would like. So we like that one. We like that one. Now it's seeing what we like, and I'm just gonna choose some randomly. Seems pretty good. Let's do this, and let's click continue. Now it's gonna tell you to pick some colors. Now I'm gonna pick colors that I've seen, I think, with a fitness center. I'm not really sure, but let's take a look. And slogan, the slogan, best fitness ever. I don't know, not really a good slogan. How about best fitness for life? Okay. So it gives us, I have to point this out. So it tells me, hello, That's a long slogan. Might be hard to read. Try to shorten it. So that's what we're gonna do. Or I'm gonna do. So let's say um to good health. All right, maybe that's not really a good slogan. And then it says pick some symbol type. So they've curated some. If you see here, they've actually curated a few here. And let me make a little. All right, so they've curated some, y'all. Let's see. So they've curated some here. And as you can see, it says health, yoga. So I'm going to choose some. And let's see what happens. It's all right here. I'm pretty excited to see what they come up with. Nutrition, let's say wellness, personal training. I think that's enough. All right, let's see what happens. They're generating the logo. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness. But look what just happened here though. They're telling me to sign up already. Telling me to sign up. Haven't even done anything. But if you look here, you can continue as a guest. So I'm gonna continue as a guest because I'm not signing up for this. But Fit Life Fitness Center, OMG. Wow, these are not bad. Off the rip, just seeing this, um, man, this is phenomenal. So although I have to say, I come from a programming and graphics and marketing background, and I used to design stuff like this, but it would take hours and days and weeks, to come up with what we call concepts. So now you're telling me I can zoop, 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 and I could probably find something that's really cool. So I thought I would share that. Again, it's called looka.com, and you can explore it. I think it's a helpful tool. Again, as you can see, I went through all the steps. These steps are quite simple. I just thought I had to. It's simple. All right. And then last but not least, um, this is websiteplanet.com. It's a renowned site that shares about what is new and current in the year. And as we're approaching the end of 2023, 8 best AI website builders. So we have, this was just updated, and I want to make that clear. I don't like to timestamp things, but November of 2023. So this is very new. It's updated. So the first one that's popular is Wix. They have a custom, they have custom site designs based on cutting edge AI design tech. So it is a plugin that is integrated, and I think their prices for their websites right now, you can probably get it for like $7.99, and it may be a special. You might want to wait out, but they do have trials where you can try it out. The rating right now is 9.8 out of 10, and they have close to 4,000 people that have chosen it in the last 30 days. Now, the next one is the Squarespace. Um, I definitely love for anybody to use this because not only is it going to support you with creating your website. I mean, the website is just so that your business can be on the map. Obviously, once you can scale it financially to afford um, a professional, this is a good starting. But the Squarespace is very buyer friendly because they have payment and booking processes for people that may have a online storefront. Maybe you're doing some jewelry, bookmarks, or selling books, whatever the case. It's a great tool, and they have the AI built in. The third one is Site 123 with a 9.5 rating. I'm pretty sure people have heard of Shopify, Webador, which is a beginner, very beginner one. Again, it's $1 a month for the first 3 months. That's a promotion that they have. And then the sixth one is Jimdo. Um, it has a wide selection of online stores. Um, Basically, you can take your business to the next level using the templates, and they're so easy to use. And you have the all-in-one drag and drop. If you're really a novice to this, um, I would suggest going with this one because it's a one-click WordPress installation, and it has free templates right away. And then the last, which is very affordable, is web.com. So again, each of these um, website builders, and again, it's on Website Planet. Please note, these are tools, again, that you can use, not forever, but just to get you started. And I think that is the best thing about this is that these are tools that can get you started, get you running, up and running. That's what we usually say. Let me get you up and running, because that's what you really want to do. At the end of the day, you don't want this to stop your progress. So I hope all of this information has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can always click subscribe so you can keep up with everything we're doing here. And also feel free to chat with us always.